How's it going, guys? It's Bastians Goofy. And you know how it is. A new feature for a gun that everybody should own and that I recommend and that I'm going to get myself. A suppressor that you don't need a license or paperwork or all that trash. Something that can disconnect from the gun, but I could still use a flashlight and suppress my handgun or any gun. It's by Fisher Development. Now, there's only one issue with this thing. It only works for certain Glocks and certain guns like Smith & Wesson. Eventually, it's going to upgrade. They're going to go around every gun, including the lower end guns. And that's what I'm waiting for. So it goes to every gun, including micro guns as well. Until then, guys, I'm Bastians Goofy, and you're welcome. Thank God. Have a good one.
Girl, you the one that's for sure.